Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Taking a live look at Medford, looking towards Mount Ashland. Night skiing going on tonight. Skiers and snowboarders enjoyed quite a bit of fresh powder from the last few days, but that is going to change as we head into this weekend. This next storm system is going to have much higher snow levels. Right now 53 degrees in Medford. Clouds are increasing ahead of that next storm system. Here's a look at temperatures right now. 52 in Brookings and Gold Beach, 48 in Grants Pass. It's 42 in Klamath Falls and 49 in Montague. You can see those clouds increasing here in southern Oregon and northern California. Rain is still offshore, but it is going to start to move in first along the coast later this evening and spreading inland from there. This area of low pressure quite impressive, and it's pulling up quite a bit of tropical moisture. An atmospheric river, also called the Pineapple Express. All of that tropical moisture from around Hawaii getting basically shoved up into the Pacific Northwest, and the biggest impacts will be towards Curry and Josephine County, where we're going to see the heaviest rainfall and that potential for flooding. It does look like things will dry out for a time on Sunday, but then there's another atmospheric river that we'll be watching for next week. More on that in a bit. But tonight, in the meantime, look for that rain to start to move into the region. Snow levels will be low enough that there will be a period of snow along and east of the Cascades as precipitation moves in, but snow levels are going to climb pretty quickly as we go throughout the morning. So snowfall amounts, it's not going to add up to much. A dusting up to an inch for most of our Cascade passes, and the east side higher passes trace to an inch, but maybe a little bit more towards Crater Lake. But those snow levels will be climbing, and we'll see that transition from a wintry mix or snow to just plain rain. 55 tomorrow for Medford, up to 53 in Wairika, 46 in Klamath Falls. Pretty soggy through the morning, but on and off showers will continue across much of the region through the afternoon. We'll also see some more blustery winds for southern Oregon and northern California, especially towards the coast. There's that period of snow wintry mix along and east of the Cascades early in the morning, but notice how that changes as we go throughout the day. There could be a little bit of lull in the action at times, but then as we head later tomorrow night into Saturday, look at the heavy rain that sets up towards Curry, Josephine, down into Del Norte County. There will be some concerns for flooding there, and it's going to be pretty widespread wet weather further inland as well, but snow levels are going to be the big concern as well. We'll see a big hit to our snowpack with the warmer weather that we expect in the days ahead and the rainfall. Look at these rainfall amounts, upwards of 3 to 6 inches towards Curry County. Some beneficial rain along the I-5 corridor. Lightest totals will be on the east side, mainly staying for the most part around 1/4 of an inch or so. Here's a look at that flood watch that we have posted for coastal Curry County, 4 p.m. Friday to 4 p.m. Saturday. River, stream, low-lying areas have the potential for flooding, and then also we will be concerned with rock falls and landslides. You can see pretty soggy for Mount Ashland this weekend. Looking at just mainly rain for Friday and Saturday, and then we do look to dry things out for any outdoor plans as we head through Sunday in the Rogue Valley, and it's going to warm up, highs in the 60s for a few days into early next week. Your 7-day forecast, heavy rain for the coast, those flooding concerns the next couple of days. Taking a look at northern California, wet weather, gusty winds expected Friday and Saturday, drying out as we head through your Sunday. Taking a look at the Klamath Basin, we'll be looking at that wet weather, mainly looking at just rain. Any snow in the morning hours, including up in the mountains, will quickly transition to rain. Winds will be gusty up in the mountains. Dry weather expected as we start next week. And then in the Rogue Valley, wet weather returns, a break on Monday, and then that next atmospheric river through the middle of next week. And notice how temperatures will be dropping as well, with snow returning to our higher elevations.